It's your boy Kai Boogie, also known as BM Shoes. But I want to bring you guys a transparency post. And if we woke up, we are blessed. Where do I begin? I lost my mother at 13, lost my father recently, and I'm thankful for those situations that occurred, and I don't question the man above because he doesn't miss, and it's not for me to question. I think it's to change my perspective on how I look at things. I could wake up every day upset, but instead I take that energy and focus it towards something positive, which is why I clean sneakers. I do what makes me happy. However, when I was 25 or 26, I quit my full-time job to go into sneaker restoration. Well, I started out with selling sneakers. That didn't go as planned, so I didn't question it. I just figured out a way to navigate and still deal with sneakers, but I ended up cleaning them. And I think I'm in year 3 now, year 3 of cleaning, and it's been a journey. Anyone who wants something, know that you gotta go and get it. And when times get dark, you really gotta be willing and believing in thyself, because I can't thank my wife enough, man. Like, it was a full year of not knowing when the bills were gonna be paid. I was behind on a lot of stuff, but she still believed in me. She poured every ounce of her into me, and I'm thankful for her, like very thankful. But I just want y'all to know, like, every day I wake up, I gotta figure it out. And it's not easy, but I'm passionate about it. And I know that the Lord has something in store for me. It's easy to stop what I'm doing and go get a 9-to-5 job and not be filled with joy and not live the life that I think I deserve and I'm willing to go out and get. But what I've learned is nothing worth having comes easy. And I say that because there was a lot of nights to where I wanted to quit. I wanted to go be comfortable and go get me a job and know that my bills were paid. But I also realized that didn't fulfill my happiness or fill my heart with joy. So anyone watching this, you got to bet on yourself and double down. Like, you really, really got to bet on yourself and double down. And I was driving my car tonight and I cried a little bit just because I'm thankful for where I'm at. Like, I prayed for moments like this. And that's not to say, like, I could just go out, the wife and I can go on a crazy trip and, you know what I mean, just splurge a bunch of money. But I prayed for times like this. I prayed to be where I'm at. And I know it's just the beginning. And I can't thank the Lord more because he got me through all of this. And as a kid, I never wanted to be average. Nothing in my life was average. Losing my mom at that young of an age just made me realize, like, yo, don't take this for granted. So whatever it is that you believe in, go achieve it. And anyone watching this, just know that it's tough. I'm 30 years old now. I'm married through the grace of God. Thank you, big dog. But I'm married, and I'm still figuring things out. Like, every day I wake up is something that I figure out, something new that I figure out. And I don't have everything down packed, but day in and day out, I learn something new, and I just keep believing. And the more you believe, as I stated before, the more you will achieve. So bet on yourself and double down and know that anything is possible. You just got to be willing to work for any and everything that it is that you want. So, yeah, man, it's your boy BM Shoes. And if I could sum this up, it's not easy, but it's worth it. It's a lot of dark nights, but there's also a lot of sunshine. And you got to have faith so strong that, like, when times are tough, you got to know, like, I'm going through this. This is a lesson. This is teaching me how to withstand the storm when the storm does come. And keep that faith. And the more you have faith, the more you talk to the man above, the more you'll achieve. So I say this, man, to say that bet on yourself, double down, smile, because you don't know who your smile could be impacting. And if you know me, you know I'm always smiling and giggly, because what is the point of being upset? I've already been through a lot, but I'm thankful for everything I've been through, because it turned me into the young man I am today, and I wouldn't change a thing. Yes, I miss my parents crazy, but I know they're watching over me. I know I'm protected, and I know that one day BM Shoes is gonna be worldwide. So yeah, bet on yourself and double down. Anybody who watches this, just know that I love you. I'm rooting for you, and I know you can do it. So go out there and get what you believe belongs to you, but also while doing that, pray, and the man above will bring to you what he believes you deserve. And if they align, you'll get what you deserve, and you'll get what he thinks you deserve. So yeah, bet on yourself and double down, man. It's your boy BM Shoes. I appreciate you. I love you. Peace.